Hello everyone, I'm Sunny Lee and today I'm demonstrating Coursework 1 Test 3. In this test, I use Apache NiFi to extract data from a MySQL database and save it to the local disk in a structured format. I will show you the step-by-step demonstration. Before start in the Apache NiFi, we need to download something. First, we need to download the Java. So I already downloaded my device, then I checked. So CMD for the command is Java search basket. Here, I already downloaded Java version 21. So if you don't have, you need to download from the article. So close it and then download the NiFi 217.2. I already downloaded and extract the file and put it in the C. Then download my SQL Query zip and then extract this file. And copy this my SQL Query zip file and paste it in the NiFi lib folder. Here I already added, so then we can start our Apache NiFi. So go to the bin, and then here is to write the command is the cmd. So here it will appear this screen, and then to run the Apache NiFi, the command is the NiFi.cmd dash. And then is it here? It's working. So it started and it's running the process. So we need to take a few minutes to start in our Apache NiFi. So this way, and then while it's running, we can do one thing. Is go to the log file and then go to the NiFi text file. Now here is the NiFi log file. Here we can find the control have HTTPS. Here, HTTP localhost 844.395. So copy this bar only because we need to copy this part and paste it in the Chrome app. We can start our project. So copy this and paste here. And then add up. Here is appear. So to log in, we need username and password. So for username and password, we can find in this. So under username. So here is the generated username and generated password. So copy this generated username and paste it here. And then also for the password to log in, so copy this password and paste it here. So log in. So here is the homepage of NiFi. So we can start our NiFi, Apache NiFi. So drag and drop the process group. So name this process group. So this is the Coursework 1. You can name as you like. So I will name the Coursework 1. Test 3. And then, so here is the process group. So double click to this process group, and then we need to add processor. So drag and drop, and then first processor is the extract SQL record. So find that execute SQL record. Execute. Here is the execute SQL record. So edit, and then another one is the update attribute. So update So edit. And then the last one is the port file. So at the port file, here is the port file. So edit. So now we got the three processor: execute SQL record, update a preview, and port file. So double click to the execute SQL record. And then we need to set that the property. So click this and create new services. So we need to add the JDBC connection pool. So edit. Then we need to configure this service. So go to the service and then say yes. So here we can edit the configuration. So before configuration, we can set something. So back to the processor. So relationship is the terminate. And then scheduling hours is 1 hour. Then apply again. Then double click again and go to the properties. Go to the connection, go to the service. So now we can configure edit. So here we need to set the property. So the first one is the data connection URL, which is located in the MySQL. So I already created. So we can copy this. And it's here. I want to check more sure is it in my actual workbench or not. If this exit, so go to this and here I don't have DE books. So in here I only have the DE Coursework database. So change this. Okay. And then set the database driver class name. So here is the database driver class. Copy this. This is here and I'll click OK. And then this is the database driver location. Here is the location of our MySQL connector. So copy this, copy the find path and paste it here. Okay. And then the database username is the root. Okay. And then password. Password is your password for the MySQL. Okay. So here all the things are configured. So hit the apply. Now it's disabled. So we need to enable this. Enable. So this is service only. So enable. Now it's working. So close it. And here is enable. And then we can configure. We can need to write something. So click to the record, write that, click three dots and create the new service. Here is the so many filter types. So I want to see with the CSV version. So click this and then edit. And here we don't need to do anymore. So apply. So this is the configurations of the execute SQL records there. So then we need to configure the update attribute. So double click this and then here is create new property name with the file name with the file name and then click OK. File name is that I already choose the CSV version. So the file name is that CSV. So I will name this and then like the 3 dot CSV. You can name as you like. So I name the text3.csv, click OK. And the relationship is terminate. And the scheduling hour is no need. And then apply. So this is the configuration of update. And then the last one is the find type port file. And then go to the properties. And the directory name is the file you want to store. So I already created my device. So So here I already created, so copy this file. I want to store the CSV in this folder, so copy this file and then paste it here and then click OK. The connection registry is placed, click OK, and then apply. So check for more sure, put the setting, and then here is disabled. So we need to enable. So all the configuration are there. So we can connect now. Connect with this, then success, and then add. Connect with the update attribute and provide. So you can start running. So start. We can start step by step. So it's started here. Now we have an error. Set schedule in the method. Also, we need to write some queries. Here, we need to write some query. So for this query, we can copy from this MySQL database. So copy this, and then before code started, we need to stop again. So this is need to write. Okay, and then apply again. Now you can start again. Now it's working. Now it's working now. That's one. So here is success. It shows the success here is a success now. And then run this update attribute, and then click start. It's working, so you need to wait a few seconds to finish this. Now it's success. So the last one is the port file. Need to confirm. We need to add something in this. The relationship is the terminate, apply, and then start. Now it's successfully done. So we can check in our here is the location is the programming until you are and then data engineering. So we can check that folder. So go to that, and here it's a text-free CSV. So double click this and open it. So it's successfully stored. So this is all for the Apache NiFi demonstration. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.